I want you to pay attention to this part right here. This is on your turbo. This is your actuator for your turbo, right? It tends to make noise. I'm letting you know that that's normal, right? So don't go and change your turbo because of that noise that you're hearing. Listen real closely. When you take your key off, right, that's how it sounds. If you put your key back on, engine off, this is the noise that you'll get. So as I said, don't go and replace your turbo or this motor because you're hearing that noise, right? And then you know that's normal. So this is a 1 KD, the Ford Tuner, the Hilux, you know, various vehicles has the same setup. So, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Criticism doesn't matter. Take it easy.